Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Have you recently remodeled your house and would like to have bird bath yard and garden decorations which is made by Achla? Are you looking for a way to add elegance to your garden by having a bird bath which attracts birds? We have a bird bath which is handcrafted. We would like you to know about the green fish bowl and steak handcrafted ceramic bird baths. Now you can give your chosen location a personality of its own with a simple yet elegant bird bath. Just put water in this bird bath and it will attract birds. It also has an elegant green fish design and also includes a steak as well. This is ideal for the garden, lawn, and patio. Here are its product specifications. Dimensions are 16.75 by 16.5 by 4.5. Weight is 11 pounds. The stake is made from wrought iron, which is sturdy to be sure that it will not be knocked off easily. With a simple solution, you can transform your garden to a haven for birds with this item. Grab the green fish bowl and steak handcrafted ceramic bird baths today at a very affordable price and have the ambient environment you've always dreamed of. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.